Hey, in this video, we'll guide you on how to set up QB Sync made easy for real-time and legacy data sync. Historical and real-time data sync are the unique capabilities of QB Sync made easy, making QuickBooks and Salesforce integration better. Let's get started. Right from the app, go to QB Sync Setup and select the QuickBooks environment you want to add. I'm here selecting Sandbox and then Connect Company. Next up is to configure the company. For this, go to the company setup and map QuickBooks objects with Salesforce objects. You may choose various data fields and add new fields too, and then click on Save and Sync. All QuickBooks records, including historical ones, will be fetched into Salesforce. Now going ahead with Real-Time Sync setup. Real-Time Sync, go to QuickBooks Accounts, create a record and update details. In Salesforce, search for the created record. You will find changes and details are not reflected in QuickBooks as the Real-Time Sync is disconnected. To activate Real-Time Sync, click on Connect. The Real-Time Sync is now connected. You can go back to the QuickBooks account, update details, and see them synced in Salesforce in real time. Voila! That's how you can sync historical data in real time. Thanks for watching demo.